previous advisor had mentioned TRIO because I had asked about potential tutoring, and I was interested in finding resources for someone to help me. They mentioned TRIO, and I thought, okay, well, I'll check it out. And there was a multitude of things that they offered, even beyond tutoring. Whether you're a new student or a returning student, you need a lot of support, and TRIO gives you support after support after support of so many different things, from textbooks to tutoring to financial assistance to grant assistance. All of that stuff is super important for your success, especially if you struggle financially, which was a big area for me. It's a free service. They have everything you need to be successful here. You have somebody most of the time one-on-one to communicate with you, to help you if you have a question. Everybody is very kind. There's so many different things that are offered through TRIO that you would be really at a disadvantage not to take the time to apply and check it out and utilize the services that are available to you as a student. This program was and is vital to my college success. I truly don't believe that I would have had the opportunities and the help that I have received from TRIO if I hadn't been a part of TRIO. Students that are part of this program will end up being more successful in the end.